How are you guys? Once again, Alex from Ideos Japan. Do you like meat? Do you like vegetables? And do you love a wonderful atmosphere? Then Japanese Shabu-Shabu is made for you. Bon appetit and welcome to Tokyo. What is Shabu-Shabu? This is Shabu-Shabu, the perfect mix of meat and vegetables for a true Japanese feast. Which all comes alive thanks to this hot pot. Today we have ordered a Shabu-Shabu course set, starting with salad, followed by tofu, which is to be seasoned with dashi, Japanese soup stock. Hereby, the two main sauces which will be used for shabu-shabu, ponzu and gomadare, sesame sauce. For the ponzu, feel free to add in some chopped onions to make it even tastier. The main set has arrived. The true shabu-shabu experience is about to start. The savoring of delicious Japanese wagyu beef. At first, put some vegetables in the boiling broth. Tofu is also part of the package for a healthy dining experience. While the vegetables are cooking, it is time to bring in the wagyu beef. The meat is paper thin, so it has to be handled very delicately. While always holding it, dip it in the broth for a few seconds. And once cooked, choose the type of sauce you would like to enjoy it with. The vegetables may also be dipped in the sauce of your liking. During shabu-shabu, some excess fat, floating foam will appear, so use this skimmer spoon to remove any of it, keeping the hot pot clean and untarnished. It is a never-ending pleasure. And finally, some white rice, pickled vegetables, and a delicious bowl of miso soup. Shabu-Shabu, a beautiful sight for a dining experience which has no rivals. Welcome to Tokyo with Ideos Japan. For more information about Tokyo or Japan, or if you would love to try some delicious shabu-shabu, visit ideosjapan.com. And to get a glimpse of daily life in Tokyo, as always, follow us on Instagram at Ideos Japan. And if you have any questions about the land of the rising sun or would like to know anything about its culture or its food, leave us a comment below. And we'll see you very soon for a brand new experience.